Day three. Day three. It's looking great though. Here's the stats. 88% done. It's already been 70 hours. Printing at 207. It's also printing at 200 speed, whatever the stock speed is on this. I think maybe stock speed is 50 MMS. So 200. Love the handle. Pick this up, 99 bucks if you're following along. You know, I didn't do any tweaks, nothing. Just put the file on an SD card and press print just to see how this $99 printer can stack up with my other ones. Making room for more too. Alright, have a good night, and I'll post a final video soon.